So the Federal Reserve is going to buy XRP, possibly worth $68 billion, while they make sure that XRP is properly classified as a virtual asset that can be used for the FedNat payment system, which is the Federal Reserve's payment processing system. This is shown in a document released by the US Federal Reserve. Of course, we should also know that there may have been a few big purchases of XRP in the last couple of hours. It's not a few hundred or a few $1,000,000, it's over 3 billion XRP, which was worth about $1.5 billion at the time. Now it's a lot more expensive, double the price, which means that something worth $6 billion has just been bought. That is crazy. That is one of the biggest purchases of XRP in a short amount of time. Right now, the XRP ledger is being used on a large scale, and you can see this because the value of the XRP digital asset has grown. At the same time, the number of people using and adopting the XP ledger has reached all-time highs. But what no one is talking about is that the Federal Reserve is currently in the beta phase of testing their FedNat blockchain point of sale payment system, and they need XRP to make the transaction. So looking at XRP from a completely logical point of view, the price of XRP will need to reflect the large amount of adoption that will be happening, especially now that there is a deal to store $60 billion worth of XRP in the Federal Reserve and Treasury as a form of reserve currency, similar to gold. This is huge because XRP will be stored alongside Bitcoin Gold by the Federal Reserve and Treasury. This deal was signed by the president, who is set to officially take office on January 20th. All of the above points back up this very bullish view. I mean that Jeremy Powell, the chairman of the Federal Reserve, came out in public in a video and said that they plan to use the payment system, building it along blockchain and new payment instance settlements. Again, he is definitely talking about XRP and what the price will be, which is at least $1,000 or $983.24, which is what XRP is expected to be worth in this bull run. What I mean is that it would be very easy to do if the Federal Reserve really did start using the XRP letter for bills. Now that we've said that, guys, before I start the film, I want to let you know that Uphold and I are giving away 50,000 to 100,000 XRP. We are going to show you guys fast and cash and make you enter our giveaway. That's for sure. If you want to win up to $100, this is your chance. This is not a giveaway. All you have to do is click the like button, subscribe to the channel, and leave a message below. Once you've done that, sign up by importing using the link in the description and make a trade. You will then get up to $100 worth of free XRP. Again, that's a great chance to get some free money to save. So try this right now. On top of that, you can enter a giveaway for 100 XRP. So it's a great chance to win twice. And now let's watch a movie. Next, I need to go into more detail about what we've seen on the charts. But first, let's go over our market report. So, that XRP is down about 9.95% to 102.1%. which is a good sign in general. That $22.14 billion have been lost in the last 24 hours. You have to agree that that is very bullish just by looking at the all-time high for market cap and amount for XRP. That's interesting to note that last time XRP was at an all-time high, the market cap was right here. If I can pull it up, and the market size was about $130 billion. The volume was $3.31 billion. Right now, the volume is $22.14 billion, and the market size is about $134 billion. This means that the price of XRP is getting very close to an all-time high. In other words, that's what the charts show, and we'll be able to tell even with the THR sample that we're looking at. Just take a look wherever you are. People are upset about the drop, but if you look at where we are now, it does look like we're going to get another rise that will be higher than our all-time high. Having said that, I'd like to shift my attention to the Federal Reserve, which is what this video is all about. This is a recording I made on June 8th, 2024. And it says that the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission sued the Federal Reserve for manipulating the ASAP's price. It seems like it should record itself. That's the truth. SSE buying gets money from the Federal Reserve for manipulating the crypto market, Bitcoin, XRP, and XLM. Now that you guys have heard this, let's go ahead and roll the video for you for purchase agents and just to make sure that all financial institutions can use the payment system. Since we've already made this point, it's time to really understand that more than $35 trillion in debt would be moving into XRP if the XRP ledger was added to the Federal Reserve's payment system. So once more, a small fee in line with XRP of $625.10. And this isn't even an exaggeration. This is what the XRP system is going to do. because its market cap is set to reach $30 trillion in the next year. Again, if you look at the price points, it's not too far off. For example, this expert thinks that XRP will be worth $983.29, CTF will be worth $1,872, and XLM will be worth $724. But then you think about it logically, what is the XRP of XRP of XRP of a $30 trillion market cap for the XRP ledger? We're not talking about XRP anymore, we're talking about the XRP ledger. As we talk about the XRP ledger, a lot of businesses are jumping on board. As of late, one of the newest ones we've heard of is Amazon. We've seen both Amazon and Walmart join, and all of this is made possible by not just XRP, but also the XRP ledger top DeFi token by token, which is the CTF token or the crypto trading fund. Now that I've done a lot of study on this, I can almost reveal a lot of information, such as the fact that the CTF token was the quickest way to a $20 billion market cap. Its value could jump from 70 cents to $740.50 per CTF token. And I bet we can't talk about 70 cents anymore because it's now at $1.15. And based on my research, this is happening right in front of our eyes. I literally told you guys more than one day ago that we were going to get a sideways movement in that breakout. I even called it a retracement. I said, when I show you guys this circle, I said we were going to get a retracement. Then here's another retracement. And then I said we were going to get a breakout, and you guys can see that I drew it wrong. I told you that prices would go up and then surge. And then I told you about another circle and said that prices would go down and then rise again. And guys, it's happening right now. We are truly starting the recovery of the CTF token. And I think we broke an all-time high, or almost an all-time high, with the greenback in 83 cents, going from 55 cents to A. Greenback in 85 cents is freakishly bullish. We had a nice little retracement, which is exactly what happened because a lot of early buyers sold, and now it's a straight-up pattern. We're going to have the biggest breakout in history, and as you can see, the CTF token has already signed up Amazon, Walmart, and other big companies, and they even said that they're planning to start using the platform on December 15th. In reference to the app, which I will show you guys in a moment, that is obviously complete nonsense. It is the first blockchain-based payment reward system. The Pinnacle DeFi token is at the record, and the Polygon chain is where you should look. If you look at the CTF token as a whole, you can see that it's a very 120 million tokens. They even burned a lot of them on Pinnacle, but it's still very early in the game. It looks like there are about 500,000 holders in this case of 550,510 holders, which means there is a lot of space here. This is crazy, man. Just look at XRP.